When I find myself in times of trouble,
So, yan
Mother
kasi,
Mary comes to me,
so kita mo yun,
speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
gano'ng kataas.
And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me,
Nilinisan.
speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
So nilinisan nila.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it
Ubas ang
be.
loob niyan.
Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Ubas ang loob niyan. So,
When the broken-hearted people
ganda.
living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be.
Yan, ayun. Ayun, ayun.
Though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be.
So, yan kasi Friday.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be.
Gano'ng kataas.
Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Yan, nilinisan. Yan, kaya may daan dyan na ano. So nilinisan nila. Kaya ganyan yan, yung loob niyan is ubasan. Ubas ang loob niyan. Para maniwala kayo, silipin natin na ubas ang loob niyan. Saan ba may space? Ang ganda oh. Tiyarang, ayun, 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 ayun. Ayan, kita niya, ubas yan oh. Ubas, oh, ubasan yan. Ubas. Diba? Ubas yan. Ganda. Thank you.